Namaskar. This is the last video in this introductory course on meditation. What you have learned here is sufficient to continue a regular daily meditation practice, which I hope you do. However, here are some recommendations for how you can continue and improve your meditation. First, you can meet one of our teachers who can teach you a personal meditation practice. This has several steps to it. They're always free, and it will help to deepen your meditation and help you to continue at a stronger level of meditation. As well, we have regular meetings in various cities and countries that can also help you. One of these is a weekly meditation practice, which we have in various cities. Here, a number of people get together to do meditation once a week, and if you do this, you can find that it deepens your meditation very nicely. As well, in these meetings, you can meet other people who, like you, are doing regular meditation, and they can help you to give support, to have support for your meditation. Beyond that, we have retreats throughout the year in various places. Some of these retreats are for more advanced people. Some of the retreats are for more introductory people. Here, at any of these meetings, retreats or weekly meditations, or public talks that we have, you can meet some of our teachers who, as I said, can help you to do deeper meditation. They can give you fine support and further meditation instruction. So, any of these events that you go to, and you can find links to these at the end of this video, will help you to pursue your meditation. I think meditation is a great thing, and if you've gone through all these videos, I suppose that you also understand that meditation can add a lot to your life. So, I thoroughly encourage you to continue with the daily meditation as you've learned in these videos, and also to pursue deeper meditation at your own pace. It's a wonderful thing, meditation. It's changed my life. It's made life more wonderful for me, and I think it can do the same for you. Thank you very much for coming along. Namaskar.